Guest house Brynathwy is just along here, and it's Elaine who looks after here. You see the Shell garage, and just above there you've got Brynathwy in amongst the trees up there, look. Isn't that a lovely spot, that, eh? Now, whilst these roads look as if they're nice and free and off you go, I've seen the speed camera car or van along here 3 times. And they don't exactly in North Wales give you a chance. Do you see where that car is there, just to the left of those trees on the edge? That's where he parks. Hidden just before the speed limit signs. I know you shouldn't speed, but there are times when they locate themselves, I think, in outrageous places, purely and simply for money making. But it's just my opinion, my ickle opinion. Now, the reason I'm stopping in this lay-by here will become very apparent very soon. You see, you've got both bridges. Up there you've got the new bridge, which is the A55. Follow the straight all the way down to the north, and there's the old bridge we went over before, with the stunning mountains in the background. So there's the old bridge, and there's the new bridge, and there's the old bridge. And it's just a lovely place to park and enjoy the view. Good, isn't it? Oh, the bike's just hit 20,000 miles, look. Although the clock's totally bloody wrong. It's 10:30 in the morning, not 3 o'clock according to my clock, on the bike anyhow. But 20,000 miles has just been reached on Beyonce. By this time next year, there could be 40,000 on it. Follow the road round to the right to Newborough. Just down to the left there is the Sea Zoo. Been going for absolutely donkey's years. And now we're going to go to the beach. Llandwyn Beach. Red Squirrel Land. Isn't that good to be on a bike? You can get straight through the toll gate. So, we're going through a forest down to a beach, or so I am led to believe. So we come to the side, to the end of the road, where we're going to go to the beach. Now this is Newborough Beach, or the beach at Newborough. Which we saw this morning going along the Folly Peninsula, which is in front. Humps for half a mile, the sign back there. I wouldn't mind a hump for 5 minutes, never mind half a mile. Let's go and have a walk and see what we can see. Ah, the wind's getting up now, look. Oh yeah. There it is. All the way across to the mainland, Snowdonia. How about that for a beach, eh? You didn't expect to find this on Angelsey. And if you so desire, strip off, dive in the sea, have a swim. Or just enjoy yourself.